You put your leash on the dog, open the door, walk outside like before. Walk the dog, walk the dog. But if she sees a cat, you have to pull her back. If she sees a cat, you have to hold her back. Walk the dog, walk the dog. And she's sniffing over here, sniffing over there, sniffing up in the air. Sniffing over here, sniffing over there, sniffing up in the air. Walk the dog, walk the dog. Well, we see the mailman, we see the moms, and the babies in the stroller go pushing on. Walk the dog, walk the dog. Gotta teach them to sit, you teach them to stay, you teach them to come. No, 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 this way. Walk the dog. And she's sniffing over here, sniffing over there, And she's sniffing over here, sniffing over there, sniffing every doggone thing that's there. Walk the dog, walk the dog. Don't forget your baggie, bring your scoop. Keep the neighborhood clean by picking up the